Don't spend a paise for sense gratification.
They squander billions of dollars. They're squandering billions of dollars.
And you spend money for cigarette, for cinema, for restaurant, unnecessarily. We don't spend a farthing even for all this purpose. Simply we take little rice, chapati, that's all. Still you are culprit.
And even the papers report that we spend very lavishly for the deities, but for ourselves we only eat very...
So it is not credit. We spend for God. We are servants of God. We want to see God gorgeously situated. And for us we have no comforts. We don't care for any comfort. We simply spend minimum just to keep the body and soul together. That's all. This is our principle. We don't spend a farthing for our sense gratification. This should be noted down. If some case is there, this should be present there. We don't go to restaurant, we don't go to cinema, we don't spend lavishly for dress or something else, no. Neither for furniture. If you sit down in a bed, is that faulty?
But when they go to any of our temples, they're amazed because they know...
We sit down, don't use any chair, any coaches, unnecessarily, carpet. What expenditure? We have no expenditure for personal self. And still you are faulty. What can be done? We don't purchase any cosmetic. This clay tilak is sufficient. We don't apply any pomade or cosmetic or ointment, either for our girls or ourselves. We don't. We live very simply. After 15 days we shave. There is no use of cutting or decorating. No down all this thing. We have no doctor's bill it.
It's because
at least I say doctor's bill. I am always sick. I never go to the doctor. Give me little knee, give me little this. That's all. Then what less expenditure we can make? As far as possible, do not go into the doctor.
Well, it's because of these things that they're wondering, well, then what do we do with the money?
We spend for Krishna. We're spending 8 lakhs of rupees in Bombay for Krishna.
Yeah,
every month.
We just have to show them how many books we're printing and everything too. It's not that we're letting the money sit and accumulating.
No. I'm daily canvassing Gopal Krishna. Print book. I don't want to keep money in the bank. Convert into the books and keep it in our manner. I'm asking you.
Yeah.
What little money I've got, I don't want to keep in the bank. I want to convert it into purchase paper, print book. That these rascals will never be able to take anything from us.
No.
And then I'm asking every time. Ask Gopal to print books and keep it nicely. Otherwise, somebody may steal and sell in the market. The book should be printed and kept very safely. This is our program. And we are speaking from the Vedic literature. We don't manufacture any magic, any jewelry, any mystic power. We have no mystic power. So which point they will find fault? I don't think we have got any loophole.
We just simply have to present our whole program.
Our only business is how to establish Krishna, the Supreme Personality. That is only business. our quarrel with our man, why this temple is unclean, why there is no flower in the deity's room. This is our fight. We have no other cause of fight. And why should we show magic? But these inquiries are going on, it is good. These rascals will be exposed.
But people are so confused because they don't know what's bona fide and what's not.
Neither they want. They are becoming skeptic.
Yeah.
Nobody is bona fide, that's all. This is their conclusion. Because they have confronted with some not bona fide, they have concluded that everyone is not bona fide.
It's very easy to just try to brush it all under the carpet and forget about it.
চোরের ওপর রাগ করে ভুঁয়ে ভাত খাওয়া. A man's household utensils was taken by the thief. He promised, I shall not purchase any more utensils. I shall eat on the floor. Because the thief has stolen my plates, I am not going to purchase any more. I shall eat on the floor. চোরের উপর রাগ করে ভুঁয়ে ভাত খাওয়া.
You give the example that just because someone may be passing counterfeit money, that doesn't mean to say that all the money you get.
They conclude that no more take any money or counterfeit. At least in India, Bhagavad Gita is accepted. The God science literature all over the world. Every country. So why they do not take? The Bhagavad Gita is the standard.